welcome back to yet another episode of Q&A, Ask Our Experts, and exclusive doubt clearing sessions from Tiju's Academy. So in our previous video, we mentioned about the term collocation, and you may find it confusing as well. So collocations are nothing but the natural combination of words that we use with each other. For example, in the medical scenario, chest pain, dull pain, dry cough, etc. are the examples. So if you people are familiar with such collocations, that will help you to predict the answers when it comes to listening and reading part A. So for your assistance, here we come up with some examples of collocations that we mainly use in OET. So first example is related to the word cough. So if it is a cough, that can be a whooping cough, dry cough, chesty cough, smoker's cough, or a persistent cough as well. On the other hand, if it is a pain, that can be dull pain, crushing pain, constant pain, mild, moderate or severe pain, and finally a nagging pain as well. On the other hand, if it is some kind of sensation, that can be blotting sensation, numbing sensation, tingling sensation, burning sensation, sometimes that can be a pricking sensation as well. So here are the examples for collocations. So try to make yourself aware of that kind of collocation in order to crack OET Listening Part A with the maximum score. So for more interesting videos, keep following us in our Instagram page, that is Tiju's Academy Mavelikara. And we are offering OET, IELTS, Fluency, PTE in both offline and online platforms. So for join us, keep contacting our course advisors in the below mentioned numbers.